It feels so good to be back. It is January 5th as I'm recording this. Happy freaking New Year, guys. Hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas holiday, whatever you guys celebrate. We're back. Took a nice 2-week hiatus, and we're going to be jumping in today with some chat about some New Year's resolutions. So let's go. Hello, and welcome back to theMillyLife. It's 2023. Woo! I am so freaking pumped that you guys are here. If you are new to the channel, I post new motorcycle videos every Thursday and exercise videos throughout the month. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit the like if you like the content so you do not miss out. If you'd like more of theMillyLife, you can follow us on all the social medias at theMillyLife, all one word. Don't put those spaces in there. All my MillyLife apparel, stickers, all those great things in the description below. Click on the link there, go and check them out. I also have all of my riding gear and recording gear listed down there. I don't post anything that I don't use and love. Today we are talking about New Year's resolutions, and being a personal trainer, this is a very popular time of year. Oh, I'm in neutral. For people to join the gym and get started in a fitness routine. Let's jump right in. So did you guys set any New Year's resolutions this year? I want to know. Leave them in the comments below. Do you love the idea of setting a new goal at the start of a new year? Do you hate it? Let me know what you think below. I'm not huge on this road. New Year's resolutions. It's not something that I religiously do, but I think I kind of made one. I think mine was just to take better care of myself. And, things like brushing my teeth every night before I go to bed instead of crawling into bed just tired and being like, F it, I'll do it tomorrow. Washing my face in the morning and at night, like those sorts of things, like taking care of myself in that manner. Making sure I'm getting 3 solid meals in a day. May seem like something that a personal trainer would not struggle with, but, we are humans too. So we struggle with all the things of living a healthy lifestyle sometimes as well. Making sure I'm getting enough water, those sorts of things. Those have been on my brain for the new year. And I think it's fantastic if you've set a fitness or movement or workout goal. And if you need some help figuring out what that or how you're going to get there and what that map looks like, I'm your girl. Over the break, I just finished redesigning the MillyLife website, so make sure you guys go and check that out. The link is in the description box below, but it's got a listing of all my different services. I do individual training, small group training, and I also provide program designs for people to complete on their own. So check it out. If you guys have any questions, you know where to find me. But I think a lot of times when we set fitness goals, or really any goal for that matter, it has to be the biggest and the best, right? We got to join the gym. We've got to get the workout gear. We've got to get the best trainer. We've got to work out 7 days a week, right? It's like an all or nothing mentality. I encourage you this year, if you've set a fitness goal, to start small. Start small with 5 minutes of walking a day. And start 3 times a week, 2 times a week, 1 time a week. And start small, right? 5 minutes of walking a day. Let's say you start with 2 times a week. That's 10 minutes of movement you weren't getting before. That's 40 minutes of movement each month that you weren't getting before. And over the course of a year, you're looking at almost 500 minutes of moving that you didn't have previously. So while it seems like nothing or not a lot or not a big deal, it all adds up. And starting small helps take the overwhelmed, helps take the stress out of it. Like just listing all of those things of like joining a gym, getting a trainer, buying all the fitness equipment, going 7 days a week. Like, that just stresses me out. And as fast as you start something, so let's say you get all those things in place in like a week and you're rocking and rolling, it typically, the faster it tends to stop. So start slowly. Build these habits into your daily life so they become part of what you do and not just something that you're forcing yourself to do. Because I guarantee you, if you hate the workout that you're doing, you're not going to do it. You're not going to want to do it in a month. You're not going to want to do it in 2 months. And I'm not saying that there's no, like, you should love every fitness exercise. No, but I'm saying, like, find the ones that you do enjoy. Is it dancing? Is it hiking? Is it golfing? Is it yoga? Is it weight training? Is it walking? I mean, there's so many different ways to move your body. And I challenge you to reframe the way that you look at it, right? A lot of times we look at physical fitness as torture or something we hate doing but know that it's necessary, or as a form of punishment for, let's say, overeating or eating as poorly. And I challenge you to start to flip the script on that. I challenge you to start to let it be something that comes easier to you, to let it come easy. And what I mean by that is, stop punishing yourself for poor eating. There is no exercise regimen that can outwork a poor diet. So scientifically, there's the backing for you. Secondly, it just is a shitty mentality, right? Like, that you deserve to be punished for enjoying some of the foods that you like to eat. It kind of muddies the water with your connection with movement and your connection with fitness. And that's not what we want. We want you to find something that you enjoy, and I want you to start to try to shift it into seeing personal fitness, movement, whatever you want to call it, as a way of taking care of yourself, and that you owe it to yourself to make yourself feel good. And that's how I like to structure my workouts. I'm not a huge proponent of, hey, like, train with me, you're going to lose a ton of weight and you're going to look like, you know, have 6-pack abs. No, like, my goal is for you to move better and to feel better, and not just in your body, but your confidence level, how you view how you look and how you feel. And if I can do that for you, like, I've done my job, and that's what makes me happy. So trying to really shift your mindset on how you look at fitness, and then finding something that you really, really, you know, enjoy doing. And start small. My advice, without knowing your story or knowing your specifics, would be to start with drinking an extra glass of water a day. If you're not drinking any water currently, great. Let's start drinking a glass and tie it to something that you do on a daily basis, like wake up or go to sleep. So in the morning when you wake up, have that glass beside your bed and drink the cup of water before you even start your day. At nighttime, I mean, that, yeah, I could see how that gets, you know, I don't typically recommend that because then you're going to be waking up to pee all night. But yeah, tie it to something that you do on a daily basis. While your coffee's brewing, you know, drink that cup of water. And then walking. Get outside, walk 5 minutes a day. Set your, you know, your Echo, your Alexa timer for 5 minutes and just move around the house. Put on your favorite song to dance and move to and do that for 5 minutes. You know, that is where I would start. And then you can go from there. Build on it. Don't feel like you have to have it all in place at once. And don't feel like you have to have results that are visible visually. A lot of the transformation with physical fitness and moving your body on a daily basis happens internally. There's a mindset shift. There is a shift in your confidence. There is a shift in how you look and think about yourself. You also just feel better when you move your body. You could be in tip-top perfect shape, whatever perfect shape is. You could not move all day, and I guarantee you're going to feel worse about your body than the days that you do move. It's just, it's like a psychological phenomenon or something like that. But those are the shifts that you want to start seeing. And those are important too. Those are just as important as the ones that you see on the outside. Take the time to thank your body and appreciate your body for what it has done for you. It's kept you alive through all your worst days. It's kept you moving forward. If you're a parent, You've raised children with it, you've given birth with it, you've if you played sports, you've done all those things with it. If you sing, if you like dance, if you've done a ton of research, like all of those things use your body and your mind, right? And your body has kept you alive and done those things day in and day out, and it's about time you thank it. So thank your body, love on your body. Everybody has stretch marks. Everybody has cellulite. Everybody has parts of their body that they don't like, that they don't love. I promise you that. Start moving today. Start moving for you. Start taking care of your body for you. Start small, and let's start this year and finish this year with more movement. Don't feel like you have to do it all at once, and don't feel like you have to take the path that worked for so-and-so or so-and-so. And if you need help along the way, if you want help mapping that out or someone to hold you accountable on a daily basis, I'm your girl. I'd love to help you. I'd love to help you feel better about yourself, about your body, and about moving in general. That's my little spiel about fitness and New Year's resolutions. I know there's lots of other areas that people make New Year's resolutions in. That's just one that I'm especially close to. I don't want to see the big exodus at the end of January from the gym. Let's start small. Start with the walking, start with the drinking a glass of water a day, and go from there. And let me know how it goes. I also want to hear your guys' New Year's resolutions. What are you guys looking to do in 2023? I also want to hear if you think they are just completely bogus. Stay tuned. I missed you guys. It feels so great to be back on the motorcycle and back making videos. Stay tuned. We got a lot of really cool content for you guys coming up. If you want more of theMillyLife, you can head over to all the social medias at theMillyLife. They've got some new reels and stuff on movement and walking every day. So coming up this month, we've got some big announcements with the website and a couple things we've got going on here. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. If you liked this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button. And again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. You frickin' rock. And until next time, I'll see you guys real soon. Happy New Year. Bye.